watts 80 plus bronze brand. I needed a new power supply, so we're gonna do an unboxing and a slight review. And here we go. So you see the box is real nice and everything. I believe this is not a fully module power supply, but like I said, I need a new power supply for a computer that I'm building because my old power supply clunked out on me. So here we go. As you see, it comes with our usual books and stuff. That's what my boy Floss said. Plug them, fall them to the side. Your AC power plug for the actual power supply. And here is the power supply itself, all wrapped up nice and neat. I'm gonna do a quick, it's all bubble wrapped and everything. I'm gonna do a quick test to make sure that the product's not faulty, which I doubt it is because it's brand new out the box. And I'll get back to you. Everyone who knows me knows I'm very meticulous and very technical with all my electronics. This actually looks real nice. See, it has everything you need here, all in one-stop shop. Like I said, it's not a fully modular one, so everything's already here, which is fine by me. I could run a quick test just to make sure that it turns on. I do have a tester, which is right here. Here's my tester, as you guys see. Give me one more second. We're gonna go ahead and run this through a quick test just to make sure that the fan here is blowing. As you guys can see, I do have it plugged in. It is on the off position at the moment. And here's my tester. We're gonna plug this tester into here, like so. As you guys can see now, the tester is in and it's clicked in. So now all we do is turn the on switch, which is here, from the off to the on position. And look at that. It runs. It's super quiet too. You hear how quiet that is? That is amazing. I love that. It's a delay. It doesn't shut down right away, but there you go. Alright, so now we're really going to put this thing to the test. We're going to plug this into the computer and let it run and see if it turns on. We'll see if it's going to post and it's going to turn on completely. Okay, so the only problem that I would have with this is the cable organization when it comes to like these power cords. They were labeled pretty decently. The only one I had a problem was this, but I found out very, very quickly that this is the CPU cable. But the rest of the ones are actually, if you know what you're doing, you'll figure out which one is which. And the PCI cables, or whatever they're called, they're labeled. So a lot of this is pretty much a good product. I haven't plugged it in yet. I just plugged it into the motherboard and everything, but I am going to plug it in very soon. Actually, in a few minutes. And then we'll see if it boots up. So far, I feel like it is, but we'll see. It is alive. So there you have it. It actually works. That's how it looks. As you guys see, it is running. It works. Tune in for an update in about 6 months to see if it's still holding up to this day.